We're working on a plan that you guys can pay monthly for our services. So hey guys, Rafi Konsky here, Preferred Plumbing. How are y'all doing? Happy Wednesday to you. May not be Wednesday when you see this, but it's Wednesday for me now. So something really cool that we're getting into is, we haven't done it yet, okay? So I don't want you guys jumping down my technicians' throats, but we're working on a plan that you guys can pay monthly for our services. So if one of us come out to your home, we see there's a bunch of things going on, we figure out what you'd like to do, you choose a repair option that works for you, but unfortunately because you want to do A, B, C, and D, the amount's too large, so we're going to figure out a monthly payment plan for you guys. We thought it'd be helpful. So we're working on that. We'll disclose more information as time goes on, but we're really excited about that. I think it'll alleviate a lot of pressure. I know I'm a father, I'm a husband, I got 4 kids, I pay tuition, I know how it is. It's tough sometimes, and generally when you have plumbing problems, they're unexpected. You don't plan for it, you didn't save for it, right? So we want to help out as best we can, and that's what we're going to do. Have a great day, guys. We'll be in touch.